Went for a nice flight, about 40 minutes. Came back down, went for a nice bath. Now it's sunny and a nice Sunday. These are all the cocks. I fly them together once in a while, but they don't give me the same flight like if I fly them individually. I'll say the hens are the ones that are giving me more time than the cocks. The hens are giving me like an hour and 10 minutes, 20 minutes. The cocks are giving me like maybe an hour or 40 minutes. You know, I had the ones I had before that, man, they were giving me 3 hours. It's crazy. And it's all old cocks, you know. I still put a lot of old cocks. The hens are mainly old Newberries, young. Probably like maybe four new cocks. The rest of them are old, 2 years old. You know, I went through a lot of birds to end up with what I wanted, you know. I sold a lot of birds and I gave away a lot of birds. Not because they didn't fly, because I just wanted like a certain type of bird, like blue grizzles, powder grizzles, you know, blue bars, prints. Those are the birds I have now. I have some like that lace right there. It's in the water there. I kept that one. That came out of yellow and black. And that black one came out of the same batch. Yeah, so I kept those two. The rest of them are print, blue grizzles. They just want to make this cocks, you know. They just want to come down and I think that that's why they're not giving me the flight time that I want, because they just want to come down and but yeah, so far so good, man. Here on a Sunday afternoon, sunny with the birds. I'm getting a shower. I have to get that this thing you put in the water so the feathers will be, you know, better. That's why I gotta get some of that. So far, I got everything else, you know. I got prepared, man, because he caught me by surprise. Salmonella, you know. I lost about 15 berries. Those were the ones that were giving me the 2 hours, 3 hours, Man, I was so happy with those berries. See if these can do that, you know. I know the hens are giving me better time than the cocks. See what happens. Peace out.